Oh, the Blizzard. The most famous ice cream created by Dairy Queen. So cold and creamy that it is served upside down without spilling one bit, or it's free. So, to promote it accordingly, we built a whole store upside down. This is the Blizzard store. From the bottom to the top, we recreated the store experience completely upside down without missing any detail. Oops. Actually, the engineering design wasn't the biggest challenge. Our salespeople would have to be upside down too, so we enrolled acrobats to serve the delicious treat. The performance would not escape anyone's eye. The event created a lot of conversation in social media, with internet users offering their own theories about how the effect was pulled off. The Blizzard Store. Give your day a twist.